Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, October 25, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, October 25, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 25, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, October 25, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 25, 2025 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, October 25, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.